He's doing that, and I don't know why, because we didn't even rehearse or try to make anything up to be so cool. And now I say, stop being a fool.
Get the jab. Get the jab.
Get the jab. Get the jab. Get the jab. Get the jab. Hey! Yeah, we support the idea of a vaccination, don't we?
Yes, we want to see people in the audience again.
Are you vaccinated?
I am indeed, sir.
Are you vaccinated?
Are you?
Yes. Have you had your second jab?
I have not yet. The second jab will be coming in the first week of October.
I'm the same age as him. You?
Oh.
I've had my second jab not because I'm older, but because I'm just so busy and I want to do gigs and I want to be safe and I want a whole lot of safe people watching me because we want to make things happy again. So let's do the right thing to all be happy. Love Cape Town.